Hey noob, tell me my future. Hey dude, I'm Noobie Dude. Shut up, noob. Nice clothes, noob. Not you're a retard. Hey noob. Hey noob, I'm Noobie Dude. What to do, what to do? I'm so bored. I ain't got nothing to do. I can't hang out with Noobie Dude cause he's a retard hanging out with Bruce Campbell. So, Bruce, what are you up to? I'm doing fine. I'm doing my new movie. Getting raped by trees. Number 2. Cool, Bruce, can I be in it? I can do a good tree.